Okay. Hi, Miss, and hi, my friends. This is PEC700 IT skill season of February 2022 individual application. So this is individual application for four activities. So first one is logo, use Canva platform. Second one is poster, use Canva platform. Third one is voucher, use Canva platform. Fourth is last is a storyboard. Use storyboard in a storyboard platform. So another one is a portfolio for make a 3 poster and on photo video. Last is a big project. Is important for PEC 700 subject. Okay, so this is a individual project logo. Okay, so this first is logo. The logo is called COVID-19. The platform that is used is Canva, get by me. Okay, so next is individual project poster. This poster get by me. The post is called Stop the Spread of Fake News about COVID-19. The platform that I use it is Canva. Okay, so this is a group project. So call it a brochure. So for our awareness campaign, all of us should for together to design a single brochure with a 6 column and 2 pages. Our lecturer is Miss Ain. Give a correct lines of a follow when grading the brochure. The brochures must to present in class. We our lecturer will judge our brochure, our provide suggestion for change in improvement. Was the brochure that we created for our awareness campaign, and we use it Canva app to the brochure. Okay, this is a first page. Okay, so on the front page of the brochure, we have 3 columns. The brochure column has the detail about our team name, our campaign title, college logo, awareness campaign logo, and the tagline. The next column, which is the second one, has the detail of our team. The third column has the detail of a background of our campaign. Okay, so okay, next column is next page of brochure. The second page of the brochure also has a 3 column. In the first column, we have written our object of our awareness campaign. The second column, we have the benefit and effect of our awareness campaign. Finally, in the last column, we have a target audience and also our social media link for the QR code you can see. Okay. Okay, so for this, our group digital storyboard is a different storyline because it's a story for great story maker in director by M. So we have used a storyboard platform. So for our campaign, all for you should collaborate to create a 12 panel, 2-page storyboard. Our lecturer, Ms. Ain, provide us the instruction to follow when making the storyboard. The storyboard must be submitted in parallel. So our lecturer will check in our storyboard and recommend change our improvement. This is the storyboard we came up with for our awareness campaign. We use it to storyboard that help to this storyboard platform. Okay, this first page, the storyboard scene. You can see 6 column. The image below is the first page of our storyboard, which contains 6 panels from scene 1 until scene 6. The text is also present into the electric colors, which is blue and yellow. When thinking, blue is using, and when speaking, yellow is using. Okay, so every panel contains as a description as well as a title that related to the scene. So second page. Okay, this is image below the second page of our storyboard. So which content is 6 panel. Like is number page 1. Okay, so color is same also, blue and yellow. When thinking, blue is using. When speaking is yellow, you use it. Okay, so every panel on a description as well as a title that related to scene is a good storyline. Do not spread fake news. Okay, so now we are going to present a board question as a reflection presentation. Okay, so so first question, what was your task? Okay, so according to first question, they are given two different types of project in the PEC700 Information Technology field subject by lecturer in science, which are individual project and group project. What were my first task to do in individual project is to create a logo and poster. To create an individual logo and poster for myself is very challenging. Before creating a logo, I and my crew members find out the topic and tagline to create the logo, and our group organization name is the Wonder Pets. Finally we come out with the topic, which is stop the spread of fake news about COVID-19. And the tagline that we choose by us is misinformation is dangerous. Take care before you share. Okay. So for me, this task is activity easy to I create a logo and poster myself because I already use a Canva platform in my internship and my daily work. So for this, I learned how to create the logo and poster based on topic given my lecturer. Starting to do, I got blanket because before this I do, but I think before because it's the title given for this is a difficult thing, but I can do. So I make myself a poster to do my best. Okay, so the second project is to the create a brochure and create a digital storyboard. This project, me and my peers doing with groups. So group is easy because it's give a point and idea, so we can grade. Okay, so to grade a brochure, we divide the work to grade that. Okay, the main topic to grade compile the all point for the brochure is my part to compile and edit in Canva our brochure of stop spread to fake news COVID-19 campaign. And I direct finish my parts. I was email to my group members and I WhatsApp the brochure in my group WhatsApp. So I made a wonderful brochure. Then I and my friends present our brochure in class. Finally, I help my group members to give storyline and some important point to create dialogue by digital storyboard because storyboard is very difficult to create. But my group member is wonderful in make it a storyboard. So I just give a director for I give point and storyline. Okay, so in the storyboard, lastly I check it our storyboard dialogue and storyline. After I check, we do online recording in Zoom meeting. So the platform of very easy to student or lecturer or parents can also use a Zoom platform. So after my group finish present, my group members are in parallel. In this project, I am learning a lot, and also we each other helping to finish completing our all project. And now we make together edit PowerPoint video. It's just last for our PEC task, and it's a biggest on a project. IS mark. So that's all for first question. Okay, we see second question. Okay. Second question is, what was the online IT tool that you use it to complete the task? Okay, so in a response to question 2, to complete the task, I use it Canva and online IT tool. Canva is one of the best design program available. Canva makes it easy everything from blog post, flyer and story to resume, mechanism, cover, banner, logo and presentation. Student can use Canva to create a variety of a project. Anyone can use Canva because it's a free tools. It may be used to create a catching design for social media, marketing, campaigns, and project. Canva has a few features that are helpful to professional template. To use Canva, we do not need any prior graphic design skill. We can use a variety of tools with a poster. When I had the time, I had previous experience with Canva. Therefore, if not difficult for me because I have do my internship. So these tools allow you to create engaging design in just few clicks. All you is some providing remake a bubble template, picture design as it the team members can use to grade, and on graphic. Canva for education also is a good organization. All of the exit collaborate more easily and overseas their brand image. It also user to proof revise and improve creating content into new place. So all the steps I will go above a detail. Follow the first step. Should always choose the format. I need a decided if I largest or poster size and template. So people attention or small poster that can be basic on. I will have a format to work with. Once I have closing to my format. Second step, I started brainstorming ideas for I include information, include my poster idea, planning, all I include. So after that, I start sketching the poster design. And whichever template I choose, every aspect can be customized to shoot my main title for my our campaign. So accommodate the test image, I can change the background graphic and colors is a normal thing. So the template just I set a basic layout and easy to grade in Canva. So this board online tools is very helpful for me to create a poster and voucher easily complete at the right time, and good job for me lah. Okay, thank you. So we will see the third question. Okay, so what was the problem or during issue did you encounter during the activity and while using the online IT tool? Okay, so my experience is moving on the question 3. The major problem that I encountered during the activity is internet problem. My Wi-Fi is very slow. Internet problem is a difficult things to my task, but God grace, I complete my task by using an online IT tools in Canva because I use my data, personal data. So and brochure for the first time I got to use online IT tools. It was difficult to learn and do my task because I never use a brochure in Canva, but it's my first time I use in PEC subject. But it's a good environment lah because I know how to use the brochure and that skill. Okay, so next time management is of the problem for me. The time management was the will could do anything at the last minute. But since I began to this project, my assigned to individual or group, I tried to schedule a time to complete the project or assignment. Time is not our side. Next is Canva. Canva side problem is with the Canva lagging while logging in the website because it's a difficult thing because Canva is many thing if you can see pro thing, experiments and free template. So free template we can use, but buy a pro we cannot use. We can must be buy. So it's something find an image phone or template in Canva library that I want to use to pay it. When I try access the mobile app, it's only I have a half feature that a desktop version provides. Canva mobile app does not have the same number of features as its website or desktop application. Canva account, I am unable to edit, share or export my design that is added. I cannot change the design as raw file because I do not have any access to it. So I face it while using Canva as online IT tool is a very difficult thing, but we have tried to solve this problem. That's all. Okay. So now we see question. Okay, how was the problem resolved? What was your effect? Okay, the good question. I like it. Okay, so according to the question 4, what I learned is firstly I control myself to stop becoming panic. Then I find out resolve the internet connection. I have opened my data. I close my Wi-Fi. So my effort is restart the internet device. It may appear simple of sometimes I needed fix a bad connection. But I try my Wi-Fi. I reconnecting and restart my laptop. So I restarting does not work. I switch between Wi-Fi and already open my mobile data and connect to Wi-Fi after a few minutes. In plug the power source for the computer and my laptop. So 30 seconds and the plug it back in. When the router is turned it back on, I double check the system to if the internet connection has returned. If not already been done, I plug in restart my computer and laptop and power strip. So to again faster speed, I dedicated to it will a good idea. So I close my laptop. I open go to use my PC. So check internet speed. All the computer is okay. So I have restart the model router. Now easy to all my assignment and project without any internet problem peacefully. So I can solve this problem because I have studied in information technology. So Miss I also teach me how to refresh Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi setting, all important things. So I can use the method in my Wi-Fi. Okay, that's all for me. So fifth question. Okay, now we are going fifth question. Okay, how do you feel about the online IT tool after you have complete your task? Calibrate and compare your experience before. Okay, it's a difficult question, but I try my best. I answer this question. Based on question 5, I feel happy and now my mind is free. The online IT tool after I complete my project. For this project, it was a very new experience to learn how to use Canva and project. Before this, I never heard of these online IT tools and never used it before this ever. This was the future is very helpful for me to use this type of online IT tools. I'm thankful to my lecturer for giving me this project to me from Miss Ayn. So because of this project, I get chance to learn and get now this type of online tool. Now I know to use Canva and project also. So and I use Canva to complete an assignment and I am very happy. So now I know designing without creative design skills or resource building or creating your own design stretch and difficult and many impossibility. So however, thanks to Canva and its founder, I have now access to a hard library of professionally designed template as well. Design more constant has a goal as on in a goal to make great design assembly type of programs. So Furthermore, Canva offer a great mobile app. Furthermore, I can save my work in the tool, download it the format of choosing following that I will choose Canva to create any event template. So easy to use for Canva platform. Okay, so we see now last question number 6. Okay, what did you learn from the activity? Okay, this is Solan Kebat. Okay, so based on question 6, I learned from the activity. I learned myself to think independent and learn how to solve some problem myself. As I can see and as I probably to learn individual project focusing on learning new things and researching, while the group project are more focusing on comparing things, discussion, ideas and solution. And analyzing problem solving and critical thinking skill. Sign the majority of assessment. We have take a critical thinking skill for this subject, also helpful for PEC700. So finally, individual project helps students need to break down content tasks, all responsibility, but group discussion can be activity that also students to think about use knowledge and information in new and different ways education. After students has received feedback from individual activity, IT skill, activity frankly followed by learn activities, I learn a variety of things. My engaging in different activities, such as whether or not I am interested in it, how much attention we give the particular tasks, and so on. I have learned that we should listen voice, advice, consider will happen as we our plan. Be careful. These I learned through this activity and ITC subject. Okay. So now, okay, we can see portfolio activity. Okay, tadi I bagi tahu portfolio untuk buat apa. Okay, so we make a 3 poster. I make 3 poster for SED department and PowerPoint video. So okay, this is a 3 poster SED for international of happiness. Okay, this is the portfolio tasks that us do done individually, which contribute to 20% of the whole PEC subject. Sign IT skill as a regular to grade any related printed media or digital media depending on the request person in charge for Miss Nurul to grade a poster International Day of Happiness. Now Day Happiness, which will help by SRC department. Forgive me a poster by Miss Nurul. So this is a 3 poster. So the number 1, number 2 is just double make because Miss Nurul want to choose the 3 one is one thing, one just one. So the third one so the third one is the make to sell it on. So is wonderful. I finish my portfolio first task. So second one is video PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint is a wonderful apps, but many students do not know how to create a PowerPoint video. But I still know my age is 10. I have used a PowerPoint video because I try to make my skill improve. So I try to, my age is 10. Now still I use PowerPoint video, so easy to use, and I already upload in YouTube. So good for improve my skill. That's all for me. Okay, so last is group project. Is also make a PowerPoint video. So it's a difficult one because my group member and I want to do face to face. So it's I think it's better we do PowerPoint video, but situation is make to react in video, right? So it's an important thing in PEC700 because our group edit the video in PowerPoint. So it's still progression, but it's a wonderful thing in PEC subject because there's many skill we have tried to get different of many point of a skill for me lah. Okay, that's all for me. So okay, next. Okay, thanks Miss, and thanks my friends who watch my video. Okay, so do you have any question? You can message me privately. So Miss and my friends, hello friends. So this is my email, kati20@gmail.com. This is my phone number and IG and YouTube. You can refer my video and poster. All I've already posted, so you can refer it. Okay. Thanks. That's all for me, Miss. And bye.